Ratio and proportion, part 8. Practice set 29. Word problems. A car traveling at a uniform speed means speed is not given. A distance of 165 kilometers in 3 hours. At that same speed, how long will it take to cover a distance of 330 kilometers? How far will it travel in 8 hours? Here, with this information, we have to find out the answer of these two sub questions. But we don't know the speed and what is given at that same speed. How long it will take to cover the 330 kilometer and how far will it travel in 8 hours. Means here we must know the speed. So we should find out the speed first with this given information. You might have learnt in the science this formula. Distance is equal to time into speed. Remember this formula, it is very easy. So car covers the distance 165 km in 3 hours. So 3 hours is the time and 165 km is the distance. So put the value in the formula. 165 is equal to 3 into s. So for our convenience, we will shift this speed or s to the left hand side and then write this 165 to right hand side and also shift this 3. So it will divide to 165. After dividing, you will get here speed 55 kilometer. So speed of a car is 55 kilometers per hour. Now we know the speed, so we can find out the answer of the sub question A and B here. In the question sub question A, the distance is given 330 kilometer. Speed just we have find it. Then same formula you have to use here. Distance is equal to time into speed. Put the values. 330 is equal to time into speed. Now here we don't know the time. Speed we know. So 55 speed. Time into 55 is equal to 330. For our convenience, we will change the sides of the equation. Then time is equal to 330 divided by this 55. After dividing, we will get the 6. Therefore, time is 6 hours. So car will take the 6 hours to cover the distance 330 kilometer is the answer. Now B. Time is given here 8 hours and speed 55 km per hour. Same formula, distance is equal to time into speed. Put the values in the formula. Distance is equal to 8 into 55. Here we know the time and speed. So after multiplying, you will get 440 km. As it is a distance, you should write the unit here, kilometer. So a car will cover the 440 km distance in 8 hours. Last question. A pond in a field holds 1,20,000 liters of water. It cost 80,000 rupees to make such a pond. How many ponds will be required to store the 4,80,000 liters of water? And what would be the expenses? Expenses means what will be the expenditure for it. How much money we will require for it to build these ponds. See here what is given. A pond in a field holds the 1,20,000 liters of water. It means the capacity of a pond, capacity of one pond is 1,20,000 liters of water. So can we fill this 4,80,000 in one pond? Is it possible? No, we cannot store this 4,80,000 liters of water in one pond because the capacity of one pond is only 1,20,000 water. For example, if you have the water bottle of 1 liter, can you fill the 2 liters of water in that bottle, in that one bottle? No. To fill the 2 liters, we need the 2 liters bottle, 2 liter capacity bottle, or you can take the 2 bottles of 1 liter. Then you can store that water in that 2 bottles. Correct? Same here. The capacity of one pond is 1,20,000 and we have to store 4,80,000. So we need the more ponds. So how many ponds are required, that we have to find out. So one pond holds 1,20,000 liters of water. So how to find out it? Number of ponds to hold the 4,80,000 liters of water. We need to divide here. This is the total capacity or the water which we have to hold, and this is the capacity of one pond. So divide it, you will get the number of ponds. So we required here 4 ponds. Therefore 4 ponds are required to store the 4,80,000 liters of water. When in the example, that cost of making one pond, we need 18,000 rupees to make a one pond, to build a one pond. Here the number of ponds are 4. Now how much money we need here, that we have to find out. Therefore the cost of making 4 ponds is equal to cost for one pond into number of ponds. Means 18,000 into 4 is equal to 72,000. Thus, the expense to make the 4 ponds to store the 4,80,000 liters of water is 72,000 rupees. Understood? Here we end the lesson.